How to know full name of a receiver on GCash. Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about if you can see the full name of a receiver on GCash. Let's get started. So as you guys can see here, GCash has recently anonymized the names of its users when sending money. It is implied for an added layer of protection against text scams that now mention the name of mobile subscriber, because there have been a lot of scams on GCash where scammers use real name of real people in order to send text messages and scam money out of them. So this means that the full name of GCash users will no longer be shown when transacting. So there is no possible way for you to get a full name of your GCash receiver because of these security reasons. But what you can do is you can get a full user ID from your GCash sender or your receiver. That way you can verify that the person is real. So that is all for this video, guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.